I love mixing in a few IKEA pieces in my clients' designs when the budget is tight. So this list, like the old one, is all about great design, versatility, and affordability. Oh, and fair warning, I really don't think I'm saying any of these names correctly. Hi everyone, welcome to another design lesson video. In each video, I'm going to review some key design principles that you should keep in mind when you're thinking about renovating or decorating your space. So if you have a design dilemma and need some answers, feel free to comment in the section below with your questions, or you can tweet me your questions on Twitter at designchickee. Your dilemma could become one of these design lesson videos right here. In the meantime, let's get to today's topic. A few years ago, I put together my top 10 IKEA products that designers love. You may have seen that video because everyone loves IKEA. But since it's been a few years, I thought it might be a good idea to update this video with new IKEA products that I'm loving right now in the 2021 IKEA catalog. So if you want to compare notes, check out the previous video using the link below. So this list, like the old one, is all about great design, versatility, and affordability. Let's go through my new top 10 list. I love a classic light fixture, and there's nothing more classic than a conical white hanging shade. The NAVLINGE is simplicity at its best. It may be too simple just looking at it on its own, but group them together and they become a classic statement. They're perfect hanging in groups of 2 or 3 above a kitchen island. Or how about this classic look for your dining table? Keep them just about 30 inches above your table surface to give you the maximum light spread. And I love the idea of changing up their heights like this, a great twist to a classic hanging light fixture. And since this list is all about versatility, how about hanging them in your bedroom in place of table lamps on your nightstand? Something like this. Next on my list of favorites is the Bakant collection. This group of furniture is geared towards the office furniture department, but I can't help love the look of this particular Bakant storage cabinet. I'm loving that mix of wood and metal, and especially those mesh sides. Not to mention the combination of closed and open storage. It comes in black as well. Since many of us are working from home, your home office can be mobile with the Bakant. Move your office supplies into the dining room and spread out on the dining room table. Or slide it over to the kitchen. Those casters make it easy. You can use a storage cabinet in your bedroom. Place some keepsakes, books, and even use it as a TV or computer stand. And its height is perfect as a mobile cart in your kitchen. Use the top for your cookbook stand, storage below. I also love it as a room divider like this. The mesh makes it less visually obstructive, but still gives you a sense of division and privacy. IKEA is great for mirrors, and the clean look of a black metal frame is classic. I'm loving the Lin Lamp series because they've got 3 shapes to choose from. A large round mirror, a tall rectangular mirror, and my favorite, this racetrack shaped mirror. The round ends make it so pleasing to the eye. I love the look of this shape above a vanity in the bathroom like this. Or if space is a challenge, laying it sideways is a bit unexpected but very useful above a dresser. The round shape is super classic, and I love its diameter of 31.5 inches. It definitely makes a modern statement above a fireplace. And the tall rectangle is perfect as an entry hall mirror for that last quick check in the mirror before you head out. Whichever shape you choose, that thin metal frame is perfection. Well, this little guy is one of my favorite ways to accessorize any room. A light will always bring a little highlight to the space. But what I love about the Blacklint is how small it is. You can place it practically anywhere. I especially love it paired with the Lunon LED bulb. They look great together. Again, simplicity is key for me. It's just a small cylinder, wood base, and a light bulb. Small table lamps add charm and interest to any surface. Place it on a console table in your entryway. Use it as a table lamp next to your bed, allowing lots of leftover room for books, phone, alarm clock, etc. I love adding them to bookcases or open shelves for interest. Instead of candles, which can be dangerous, use a tiny table lamp. And the best part? There are so many of these little tiny table lamps at IKEA, so you can really pick that 1 or 2 that really speak to you. They're so cute. Number 6 on my list is called Nordmella. First off, I love this new Ikea color. This rich, deep blue is so stunning. I also love the clean lines and the simple hardware pull. It's just a very modern piece. With its large, deep drawers, it will be so great as a dresser in your bedroom. But you can also use it as storage on your TV wall, on its own or mixed with other wall cabinets. I especially love the Nordmella because it's low enough and sturdy enough to use as a bench. So it's great if you have the space in your entry hall so you can sit to put on or take off your shoes. I love those little seat pads. Moving back into the IKEA accessories catalog is the sweetest little rug called Raklov. This runner is handmade. The natural jute rug is woven with wool and adds a fun little touch of color to any room. I think those little colorful ties add so much appeal to this piece. It offers a little touch of warmth and charm to any room. Try it in the kids' room, or next to your bed, or in your dressing area. It's so versatile and fun, you can't go wrong with it. Number 4 on my list, and yes, I'm really into mesh, is the Ivar cabinet with mesh fronts in this deep, gorgeous gray color. I love this cabinet because it's so simple. There's no visual hardware, but what is visible is the stuff inside the cabinet through these perforated cabinet doors. Just visible enough that you'll need to arrange your stuff inside to a certain extent, which I love doing. Styling shelves are my thing. I do it for fun. The other thing I love about the Ivar is that you can mount it on the wall and float it above the floor like this. What a beautiful way to create a feature wall with artwork above. Had this cabinet been completely closed, meaning no mesh, it would look heavy and dull. The mesh makes it so much more lighter in visual weight and interest. It's a modernized industrial look. Number 3 on my list of faves is the Mr. Halt table lamp. It doesn't look like a table lamp, but it is. I love the hidden bulb inside what looks like a woven basket. IKEA is focusing very much on making the right environmental choices when it comes to their own manufacturing. And this light was intended to have a minimal environmental footprint by using the discarded bamboo from other products. I love the size of this light especially. The woven bamboo is also reflective of this new trend towards natural products. Place it on a shelf and it blends right in just like a true basket. But switch it on and you get a lovely glow with a lovely pattern too. We're at number 2. I debated whether this should be my number 1 because I just love it so much. It's green, it's velvet, it's green velvet. The Toughjord bed is straight out of a luxurious high-end furniture store. That wraparound headboard is so beautiful, it feels like the bed is hugging you. It's just a gentle slight curve towards the front, but it gives the bed such a great side profile. And then there's the fabric. It's so lush and luxurious and fitted perfectly around the headboard, and the bed frame is upholstered too. It comes in blue as well, but if it were up to me, I think you know which one I'd pick. Number 1 on my list, it's the Delactig collection, or Delactig collection. I couldn't pass up a collaborative effort. Tom Dixon designed this super versatile collection of furniture for IKEA, inclusive of seating as well as beds. Tom Dixon's most famous designs include lighting, furniture, accessories, all under his own name, and now he's created this new line for IKEA. It starts with a simple base or platform that can be used as a bench or chaise, but you can add in different components to make it personal to you and how you want to use it. The table component is great used as a side table when space is challenged or as a perch for your morning tea. Add a back cushion instead, or 3, and create a 3-seater sofa. You can buy different fabric covers and change the components up if you ever decide to move it to a different room. It's probably the most flexible furniture line from IKEA. So it makes my list at number 1 because it ticks all 3 boxes. It's design, versatility, and affordability. It will move and change with you for years. So there you have it, my new list of top 10 IKEA products that I'm loving in 2021. Just like the old list, these are all products that showcase great design, so they look great, their versatility and flexibility, which means they can be used in many places, and all at an affordable price, a hallmark of IKEA. So the next time you visit, keep an eye out. Thanks for watching my latest design lesson video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. And if you have any questions or stores that you would like me to list my top 10 favorites, leave them in the comments below, and it could be the topic of our next video. Plus, if you have any IKEA products that you're loving and would like to add them to our list, share them with me below as well. I'd love to know what you're loving from IKEA. Again, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.